Hello and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save a post from your Threads profile on an Android phone. Many users post important content and later want to access it quickly. Thankfully, Threads offers a simple way to save and view your favorite posts. First, open the Threads app on your Android phone. Make sure you're in the Profile section. You can do this by tapping your profile icon. Scroll and find the post that you want to save. Tap the three dots located next to that post. From the menu that appears, tap Save. The post is now saved to your collection. To view your saved posts, tap the two-line menu icon at the top right corner. Then tap Saved. Here, you'll find all the posts you've saved in one place for easy access anytime. That's it. Saving posts in Threads is quick and useful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.